Buying a vacuum sealer is just not about saving money. It can also help reduce food waste and keep ingredients fresher for longer. But which model is actually worth your investment? Stick around until the end, where we'll review our picks for best budget, best value, best PM, and best overall. By the end of the comparison, you will have a much clearer idea of which vacuum sealer deserves a place in your kitchen. Not every vacuum sealer is built for the same type of home cooks. We selected the 5 models in comparing customers' feedback, everyday features, easy to use, selling performance, and overall value. Let us know in the comments which one you are considering. Number 5. Bonsenkitchen vacuum sealer for food. Here's a budget-friendly alternative for shoppers who want to start vacuum sealing without spending a fortune. Based on the available information, the Bonsenkitchen vacuum sealer for food is typically priced at around $49.99 and has earned a solid 4.3 star rating for more than 20,000 customers review. That combination of affordability and strong customer interest makes it a practical entry-level option. Designed for everyday food storage, this compact vacuum sealer aims to help preserve meat, vegetables, fruits, snacks, and leftover while reducing freezer burn. Its lightweight size also makes it easy to store when countertop space is limited. Key feature: compact countertop design, automatic vacuum and sealing operation, suitable for a variety of food types, space-saving construction, designed for everyday home use. Pros: one of the most affordable models in the comparison. Compact size is easy to store. Large number of positive customer rating. Cons: fewer advanced features than premium models, better suite of occasional rather than heavy-duty use. Customer feedback: many buyers appreciate how simple the machine is to operate it and feel it offers good value for the price. Customer frequently mention that it is performance well for everyday meal prep and freezer storage. Some reviewers, however, feel that premium models provide additional convenience and sealing option. My feedback: if you are new to vacuum sealing or simply want to affordable machines for preserving everyday groceries, this appears to be a reliable place to start without making a large investment. If you are willing to spend just a little more, the next model adds a few extra conveniences that many home cooks may appreciate. Number 4. NutriChef Automatic Vacuum Air Sealing System. Many shoppers also consider the NutriChef Automatic Vacuum Air Sealer System because its balanced affordability with a more established reputation. Based on the available information, this model typically sells for around $51.99, carries a 4.2 star rating, and has received more than 9,600 customers review. The automatic sealing system is designed to simplify food preservation with straightforward controls, making it suitable for sealing meats, vegetables, seafood, and leftovers. Its compact footprint fits comfortably on most kitchen counters while remaining easy to store after use. Key feature: automatic vacuum sealing operations, compact countertop design, multiple sealing function, suitable for dry and moist foods, designed to help extend food freshness. Pros: easy to use automatic controls, affordable price for most households, well established customers review story. Cons: noise level may be noticeable during operation, fewer premium feature than higher end machine. Customer feedback: many customers say the machine is easy to learn, making it a good food choice for the first time user. Buyers often praise its dependable sealing performance and compact design. Some reviewers mention that sealing's large batch can take more time compared with premium models. My feedback: for families looking for a affordable, easy to use vacuum sealer that covers the basic well, this model appears to offer a solid balance between price and everyday performance. Number 3. Anova Culinary Precision's Vacuum Sealer Pro. One option that caught our attention is the Anova Culinary Precision Vacuum Sealer Pro. Based on the available information, it's typically priced at around $109.99 and has earned a 4-star rating from more than 2,600 customers review. While it's more expensive than the entry-level models. It's designed for users who want to stronger sealing performance and added versatility. This vacuum sealer is built with a durable design and offers feature intent to handle everything for everyday meal prep to long-term freezer strong storage. It supports both dry and moist foods, making it suitable for sealing meats, vegetables, seafood, and prepared meals. The compact footprint also helped it fit comfortably on most kitchen countertops. Key feature: high-powered vacuum sealing system, moist and dry food sealing modes, double seal design for added confidence, built-in SORI port, compact countertop design, true, strong sealing performance, versatile for different food types, compact yet durable construction. Cons: higher price than basic foods. Learning all the settings may take a little time. Customer feedback: many buyers appreciate the machine's consistent sealing performance and say it works well for bulk shoppings and meal prep. Customer also mentioned that it creates reliable seals on a wide range of food. Some reviewers note that it sits in the higher price range than entry-level alternatives, but many feel the added features make it worthwhile. My feedback: if you regularly buy meat in bulk or prepare freezer meals, this model appears to offer a noticeable step up in performance while remaining compact enough for everyday kitchen. So far, we have covered affordable and mid-range options. Next, let's look at a premium model design for shoppers who want for flexible and their food preservation routine. Number 2. Chef Preserve Compact Vacuum Sealer for Food. Looking for premium quality? The Chef Preserve Compact Vacuum Sealer for Food is another highly rated option that designed to go beyond traditional bag sealing. Based on the available information, it is typically priced at around $159, carries an impressive 4.6 star rating, and has received more than 2,200 customer reviews. This compact system is designed for use who want greater flexibility by working with both vacuum bag and compatible food storage container. Its modern design fits neatly on the countertop while offering convenient control that simplify everyday food preservation. Whether you are strong fresh produce, leftovers, meats, or prepared meals, it aims to help keep food fresher for longer. Key feature: compact premium design, compatible with vacuum bag and containers, one-touch sealing operation, powerful vacuum performance, suitable for everyday meal prep and food storage. Cruise supported both bags and storage containers. Modern, space-saving design, excellent customer satisfaction. Cons: premium price compared with entry-level machines. Additional accessories may be required for some storage option. Customer feedback: many customers praise the easy to use and appreciates the flexibility on sealing different type of food storage. Buyer often mention the compact footprint and dependable sealing result. Some reviewers point out that the higher price may not suit occasional user, but those who vacuum seal frequently generally report a positive experience. My feedback: for home cook who vacuum seal several times a week and want more than just basic bag sealing, this appears to be a versatile upgrade that balances convenience with premium functionality. Number 1. FoodSaver 2-in-1 Vacuum Sealer. One of today's strongest contenders is the FoodSaver 2-in-1 Vacuum Sealer. Based on the available information, this premium model is typically priced at around $198.29 and has earned an impressive 4.6 star rating from more than 11,000 customer reviews. Although it's the most expensive option in today's lineup, it also offers one of the most expensive feature sets. What makes this model stand out is its combinations of the traditional vacuum sealer with a built-in handheld retractable sealer. This gives you added flexibility for sealing standard vacuum bag as well as compatible zipper bag and storage accessories. It's designed to help preserve fresh ingredients, leftovers, bulk purchase, and freezer meals while reducing freezer burn and food waste. The automatic bag bag detection system is another convenience feature. Instead of manually adjusting every setting, the machine detected the bag and begins the sealing process automatically, making everyday use quicker and more initiative. Key feature: 2-in-1 vacuum sealing system, built-in retractable handle sealer, automatic bag detections, suitable for dry and moist foods, designed for long-term food preservation. Pros: highly versatile selling option, automatic operation, simplify everyday use, strong reputation, back in the thousands of customer reviews. Cons: highest price in this comparison, large footprint, that compact model. Customer feedback: many buyers praise its dependable sealing performance and appreciate the convenience of the built-in handheld sealer. Customer frequently mention that it's especially useful for families who purchase food in bulk or prepare freezer meals. Some reviewers note that the premium price may not be necessary for occasional users, but many believe the additional features justify in the investment. My feedback: if vacuum sealing is part of your weekly meal prep routine or you're regularly buying groceries in bulk, this model appears to offer on the most completable food preservation solution available. While it requires a larger investment, its convenience and versatility help set it apart. After comparing all 5 vacuum sealer, here's how our recommendation breakdown based on different shopping priorities. Best budget: Bonsenkitchen vacuum sealer for food. Why? Lowest price on today's comparison, simple operation that beginners friendly, compact design fits small kitchen, great choice for occasional food storage, excellent option for shoppers entering the world of vacuum sealing. Best value: Anova Culinary Precious Vacuum Sealer Pro. Why? Strong balance between price and performance, double seal design adds confidence for freezer storage, handles both dry and moist foods, compact yet capable for regular meal prep, delivers premium style performance without the highest price tag. Best premium: cheap preserve compact vacuum sealer for food, premium built with modern design, compatible with both vacuum bags and storage container, convenient on-touch operation, excellent flexible for everyday food preservation, idea for home cook who vacuum seal frequently. Best overall: FoodSaver 2-in-1 vacuum sealer, most complete feature set in today lineup, automatic bag detection improves convenience, built-in handheld sealer adds versatility, trusted by thousands of satisfaction customers, the best choice for families, meal preppers and bulk shoppers looking for long-term values. Each vacuum sealer on today's list serves a different type of buyers. If your goals is affordability, the Bonsenkitchen offers an easy way to start preserving food without spending much. If you are looking for the best balance of performance and price, the Anova Precious Vacuum Sealer Pro stand out as our best value recommendation. For shoppers wanting premium convenience and greater versatility, the Chef Preserve Compact Vacuum Sealer is a compelling upgrade. And if you want to the most capable all-around machines with advanced feature and long-term flexibility, the FoodSaver V4400 earns our best overall recommendation. That's right, our list of the 5 best vacuum sealer. Whether you are preserving fresh groceries, meal preparing for the weeks, or reducing food waste at home, there's a vacuum sealer here to match your needs and budget. If you find this comparison helpful, give up the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more honors, product reviews and buying guides. We had also loved to from you which vacuum sealer would you choose and why. Share your thoughts in this comment below. You will find affiliate link to all today's feature product in this video description. If you decided to purchase those links, we may earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. Your support to help us continue creating independent comparison videos like this. Thanks for watching. We will see for the next review.